Will the cold tar repair blend in with my existing driveway? Cold tar patching compounds are designed for functionality more than perfect aesthetic matching, so expect a slight color and texture difference at first, but there are reliable steps to improve visual blending. Start by cleaning the repair area thoroughly, removing loose debris and oils with a stiff broom and a biodegradable cleaner, then let it dry completely so the patch adheres and cures evenly. When applying the cold tar, overfill the hole slightly and compact with a tamper or a short 2x4 piece to create a dense surface that wears like the surrounding pavement. For a smoother finish, strike off excess material with a trowel or a rigid piece of board while the patch is still workable. Then texture it to mimic the existing aggregate pattern by dabbing with a rough brush. Once cured, apply a high-quality driveway seal coat over the entire driveway rather than just the patch to equalize sheen and color and reduce the visual contrast between old and new areas. If you want the closest match, choose a dark charcoal or black patching material. Allow natural weathering and ultraviolet exposure to mellow the color over time, and avoid heavy cleaning of the patched area for the first few months so the surface develops the same patina as the rest of the driveway. Homeowners often assume color match will be exact, but most cold tar products fade differently and will never be a perfect visual twin. The practical fix is to manage expectations and prioritize proper surface preparation and compaction. Another common mistake is applying patch material on a wet or contaminated base, which leads to poor adhesion and early loss of the repair. Always clean and dry first. People also tend to leave the patch proud without compacting, causing premature breakdown, so compact firmly and finish flush with the surrounding surface. Finally, relying solely on a small spot seal rather than treating the whole driveway leaves a visible patch, so consider a full seal coat to unify color and sheen when aesthetics matter. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and our users share real experience on repairs like driveway patching. We help contractors find work by exposing their services to motivated homeowners and facilitate peer advice through our forums.